Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python project, and in this video we are gonna learn how to generate random numbers or integers in Python. So let's start. So I am going to open VS Code. You can use any IDE for it. So I have opened it. Now I have written already the code here. I will again write it. Now here write import random. Now here I'll just write print random dot rand int. Now here A I will give 0 and B I will give 10. Now it will print from 0 to 10 any numbers. Now here just I'll click on print. As you see, it starts giving random numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing updates. Thank you. Bye bye.